Hello and welcome back. We have a sticker haul here from a planner Kate, so let's just go right on into it. I have already looked at this stuff just to make sure that my order was fully here. So in your order you always get a Planner Kate business card, and on the back you always get a 20% off code here, which is always PKLove20. The freebies that I got are these labels, days of the week, some 5 stars, and they're all in one, so you could use them in your book journal if you would like, and payday flags. So those were our freebies. Now on to my order. I ordered this V77E. So I got them in the pastel colorway, I believe it is. And these are the months. So you get large months and then you get the smaller months. I got EVT15, which is the PK new releases, because I want to keep track of Planner Kate new releases in my social media planner, because I do exclusively use her kits in my social media planner. I don't remember what the number was for this, but this is the custom sheet, so I got my name. I already have used 2 because I put them in my catch-all planner, and then I did use it in my social media planner, and I think it just looks really gorgeous right there. I picked up some of the Doodles 164 e-breeders, and this is B, and this is in the neutral colorway. I want to use this in my memory keeper when I need to mark down read. I just thought it would be fun and something different, and I wanted to try them out. I got the Check 100. These are individual check boxes, and I did get 2 pages of those because I am going to be using them on the monthly, so I can check off the videos once they are scheduled. And now on to our kits here. So I did get 2. I always get 2. I got March and April. So we're going to start with our March here. I believe this is called Shamrock. It's kit number 711. I did get this element here, the EC Vertical. These are check boxes. I will show you how I'm going to be using this sheet, but I wanted some extra functional bits for my weekly on how I do my weekly and my social media planner. I did go ahead and get 2 of the 7x9 monthly labels. So these are just the extra. These are the colors, and they're just extra boxes, which I absolutely love. I got the dashboard bottom box with the dashboard habit tracker. I think I'm going to keep the habit tracker. It's really nice because I just mark off when I film, read, and diamond paint and all that other stuff, so I really do like that. I got the days to fill in, and this is, yeah, the days that you fill in, or it's upside down. And then we're on to our monthly, which is a 2-page monthly here. So you get to pick if you want a Monday or Sunday start. She always gives you the holidays, which is really nice. I really like that, especially for my social media planner. I like that this is already labeled for March, and I don't have to like really have a lot of thinking process in it. And you get your date dots. You do get 2 little washi strips here. Same with the second page. You get your sidebar. You do get these elements, but I don't use them. You get extra boxes, Hello March, some more washi, and like hearts, flags, and stars at the bottom. I do buy the washi strips. If you watched any of my Plan With Me's for Saturdays, you see my social media planner, and I use these washi strips for the weeklies. I make my own weeklies, so I really do like that, and it just gives it a little bit of color. Same with like the boxes. So I've been using these for my videos, and I figured not only will I use these, but I can incorporate some of the vertical box elements here. And then we have our perpetual calendar, and I use this to track my books in my social media planner, so when I start them and how long it takes me to read. So that is March. Super excited for March. Can't believe we're already in March. And then I have this kit, which is 7/16. And I believe this is the Hoppy. It's called Hoppy. I think. Not exactly. I don't remember the name. But this is the April kit. It is, again, it's the same format. It's the Easter kit, and I thought it was just really pretty. I have my washi strips, the date cover, like the days that aren't used. I have my dashboard element here, and I just got everything the same as the March. So I got the vertical like essentials kit. I got 2 of the monthly labels, and I got the perpetual calendar here. Oh, I did get something else, duh. And then I got this year's kits. This is STK 242, and you can write down all the kits that you are using. I have one right now in my social media planner that I use solely for my memory keeping planner, so I write down all my kits here. And I wanted to get another one because my planner does run out in June, so I'll need one for July, so I have July to June, and I can start keeping track of those kits. So I was trying to get free shipping too, so there is that. So that is everything I got from Planner Kate, and I absolutely love it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.